Hey, young thinkers! Today, we're going to sharpen our skills in spotting distractions in arguments with a concept called the Red Herring Fallacy. Let's go through a fun example to see it in action. Scenario: you're discussing the benefits of recycling in class. Suddenly, a classmate says, "But why are we talking about recycling when people are still littering everywhere? Shouldn't we focus on stopping littering first?" Sounds relevant? Let's dissect this with a multiple choice question. Question: which of the following best describes this argument? Options: A. It provides a relevant solution to the problem of recycling. B. It uses a red herring fallacy to shift the focus from recycling to a different problem. C. It offers a stronger argument for the need to recycle. D. It directly addresses the issue of environmental protection. Breakdown: option A is incorrect. The classmate's suggestion shifts the discussion from recycling to littering, which doesn't directly tackle the original topic. Option B is the correct answer. This is a clear example of a red herring fallacy, where the focus is shifted to littering, an unrelated issue, to distract from the topic of recycling. Options C and D are also incorrect, as they don't correctly describe the situation where the focus is being diverted from the main topic, recycling, to something else, littering. Remember, spotting these fallacies helps us stay on track in discussions and debates. Keep practicing, and you'll become a pro at arguing effectively. Conclusion: that's all for this example. Keep your discussions focused and watch out for those red herrings.